send a friend to your website. 2, they watch the videos and become a part of the company. And 3, you get paid around the clock while you sleep. There are 10 different ways to make money in Bellamora. The first one is retail income. You can buy the 5-piece skincare system wholesale for $119 and sell it retail for $199. That would give you an $80 profit. So let's say, for example, you develop 1 retail customer per week. That's 4 customers and $320 a month. Here's the second way to earn money: preferred customer income. You buy the 5-piece set wholesale for $119, sell it to a preferred customer who goes on ADP, our automatic delivery program, for $159. You are then earning a $40 profit every single time they purchase that on ADP. So when you develop 10 customers, just 10 customers, you are now generating a $400 residual every single month. And with a product this powerful, it's very easy to do so quickly. How would that look if you developed 100 preferred customers? That's simply 2 preferred customers a week. You develop 2 customers a week, and in 1 year, you have built a $4,000 monthly residual income. On top of whatever you're doing now, that's a significant pay raise. Wouldn't you agree? That's almost $50,000 a year. And because the skincare system gives immediate and lasting results, distributors and customers will continue using the product, which means a secure monthly residual income for you. Moving right along, the third way you earn money is with our Refer 3 and Yours is Free bonus. What does this mean? Simply this: when you have 3 preferred customers on the automatic delivery program, your skincare system is completely free. Number 4, our Fast Start bonuses. When you enroll a new associate with the Fast Start Pack, they become a distributor on your team and you earn the following. If they purchase the $199 Basic Pack, you earn a $50 bonus. If they purchase the $299 Premium Pack, you earn a $100 bonus. And if they purchase the $499 Ultimate Pack, you earn an incredible $250 bonus. By the way, that is the largest Fast Start bonus even offered in the industry today. Literally, no one is paying out a $250 bonus on a $499 product. That is amazing. So let's say that you develop 1 distributor a week with the Fast Start Pack. This is an extra $1,000 a month on top of the several thousand you're already earning with the preferred customer income on top of your retail business. This is incredible. All right, let's talk about the business model. Bellamora has a binary compensation plan. According to Ray Duncan, industry leader and author, the binary compensation plan is the ultimate cash machine. But why does he say that? Well, here's how it works. You have a business center. This is you at the top. You start building your organization into 1 team on the left and 1 team on the right. But the brilliance is that once you position 1 person on your left and 1 on your right, you unlock the vault to start earning unlimited commissions. And this is the easiest pay plan in the industry. Why? Because anyone can get 2. Many studies have shown that any person in network marketing can add 2 people to their team. Next, you have spillover, which creates cash flow and excitement, and it encourages teamwork. This means that the people above you who brought you into the business also have 2 teams. Once they place 1 person on their left and right, the next person, the third person, has to go underneath one of their existing teams, which creates that spillover. So everyone up that leg gets cash flow, and that definitely encourages teamwork. Here's another big factor. A binary mathematically pays out the most money of any compensation plan in the field. And last but certainly not least, you earn 10% on the total business in your lesser team to infinity. That's 10% to infinity. Take a look at this example. This is you, and you've got 2 teams, a left team and a right team. Now remember, the reason it's going to grow is because the product works. As people see immediate results, they're going to tell other people about the product, and they're going to start signing up distributors. As your team starts to grow, let's say that your left team does $12,000 in business for the month. Your right team does $18,000 in sales volume or business for the month. You earn 10% monthly residual income on the total team business volume in your lesser team all the way to infinity. So let's take the lesser team. There's $12,000 there. Multiply that by 10%. In this example, you would earn $1,200 for the month on top of your preferred income, on top of your fast start bonuses, and on top of your retail income. This starts to generate some very, very significant cash flow. And for those of you who may be really wondering whether you can truly build a substantial business from only 2 people, the answer is yes, you can. Here's how I can say that with confidence. Let's say that this month you enrolled 2 people and you never enrolled anyone else again personally. The only thing you did was help those 2 people get 2 people. The next month, you help those 2 get 2. That means 4 brand new distributors come onto your team in the second month. Then look at the third month. You help those 4 get 2. So in the following month, you've got 8 new distributors. Based on this math, let's take it out 1 year. 32 distributors doubles to 64, and it keeps doubling. In the last month of your first year, your organization enrolled over 4,000 distributors. And if we total it up for the year, of just you getting 2 and helping those 2 get 2, guess what? You've got an organization of over 8,190 distributors. Can I just say that you would be making some very, very powerful income? Are you curious about the monthly income potential? With your one business center that we talked about, you can earn up to $10,000 per week. So that would be up to $500,000 of cash flow with one business center per year. But guess what we've done? This is actually new to the industry. No one else has this. We have the Business Center Maximizer. That means that when you max out your first business center, Bellamora then gives you up to 3 more business centers absolutely free. So now you can earn up to $40,000 a week, which is over $2 million a year. That is unbelievable. And again, this is on top of your customer income and your fast start bonuses. Let's look at the next way to earn money. This is called matching cash bonuses. With matching cash bonuses, you receive a percentage match on your personally enrolled team's binary cash up to 10 generations, which will equal 100%. Now, I know I'm talking a lot of numbers, so let's take a closer look at this. You can qualify to earn up to a staggering 100% total matching bonus on all of your personally enrolled reps and 9 more generations down. So if this is you at the top, the person that you personally enroll, all of them, you earn up to 25% of their check, of the money they earn through the binary. And when they enrolled someone second generation to you, you would earn up to 15% of their check, all the way down to 10 generations. Again, this doesn't even exist in the industry. No company is paying out these types of matching cash bonuses. I can't even quantify exactly how big this one avenue of income can become for your family. The 8th way you get paid is through our leadership bonus pool. At the presidential ranks, you will share in a corporate bonus that the company builds for everyone at that level. 9th is our dream car bonus. On top of everything we've already talked about, you can earn up to a $1,500 a month luxury car allowance for the car of your choice. And last but certainly not least is our dream home bonus. This is up to a $3,000 a month luxury home allowance. On top of the income potential, our